Hello, and welcome to Understanding Child Custody in Texas Family Courts. Whether you are going through a divorce or a custody dispute, knowing your rights and responsibilities regarding your children is crucial. The information provided in this presentation does not and is not intended to constitute legal advice. Instead, all information, content, and material available on this site are for general information purposes only. Viewers should contact an attorney to obtain advice with respect to any particular legal matter. Thank you. Child custody in Texas consists of three main parts. Number 1, conservatorship. Number 2, possession and access. Number 3, child support. It is important to note that the term full custody is not a legal concept in Texas. Instead, Texas uses a term called conservatorship. Conservatorship, as defined in Texas, determines the living arrangements of the children and the decision-making responsibilities of each parent or guardian after any civil case involving children has been filed. There are two main types of conservatorship. Number 1, joint managing conservatorship. Number 2, sole managing conservatorship. Joint managing conservatorships allow both parents to share decision-making responsibilities and shared possession of the child on a schedule ordered by the court. Both parents may be ordered to confer before making decisions for the children, or may have independent rights. A sole managing conservatorship grants one parent more or exclusive decision-making rights. These may include rights to make decisions on where the child lives, their education, their medical care, and their psychological care. The next part of child custody is called possession and access. This is what we commonly think of when we talk about custody and visitation. Possession and access addresses which parent the children primarily live with, when they are scheduled to have visitation with the other parent, and the conditions of how the visitation is conducted. Understanding whether you are the custodial or non-custodial parent is important. The custodial parent is a parent with whom the children live with most of the time and may receive child support. The non-custodial parent has visitation rights outlined in the custody order and may be ordered to pay child support. There are many different types of possession and access orders. Some of the most common include the standard possession order, step-up orders, limited or denied possession, supervised possession, 50-50, or mutually agreed schedules. These orders are issued based on the best interest of the child's age, and the circumstances of the case. The standard possession order is the most commonly ordered possession and access schedule. The standard possession order, also known as the SPO, sets the schedule for non-custodial parents' time with the child. This typically includes every Thursday evening, first, third, and fifth weekends of each month, alternating holidays and school breaks, and extended time during the summer. If you do not have a custody order, each parent can take and keep the child at any time, which can lead to disputes. If you are not the parent, under certain limited circumstances, you can file for child custody. Under Texas law, you can file for child custody if you've had care, control, and possession of the child for at least 6 months, or if you have lived with the child at least 6 months following the death of their parent or guardian. Foster parents also might be able to file for child custody under specific conditions set by the Department of Family and Protective Services. Additionally, certain relatives might be able to file for child custody if both parents are deceased, or if it is determined that the child's current circumstances pose a significant risk to their physical health or emotional well-being. A power of attorney is a temporary authorization for a non-parent to make decisions or take action on someone else's behalf. This does not grant legal custody or conservatorship and can be revoked by the parent at any time. Navigating child custody can be complex, but understanding these key concepts can help you stay informed on making decisions for your family.